In this video, I will show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Password Manager. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, and what you want to do is come across to google.com, and if you actually come up to the top right hand corner, click on your profile icon where it says Google account, and from this window that comes up, you want to click on to manage your Google account. Now what it's going to do is take you to a screen like this, and from here you want to come over to the menu on the left hand side and click on to security and sign in. Then what you want to do on this screen is scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the very bottom you're going to find your password manager, so give it a click and that's going to take you to your password manager. What you can now do is scroll through all the different sites and apps to find the password that you want to delete from your password manager. Alternatively, what you can do is use the search box at the top, and you can search for the website or the app that you want to delete the saved password for, and once you've found it, give it a click to be taken to the page. Before it shows you any information, for security it's going to ask you to enter your Google password for your account, but once you've done that you'll be taken to a screen like this, and from here to delete the password all you need to do is simply come and click the delete button at the bottom, and once you've done that you're going to get a pop-up window like this asking if you want to delete your password for the particular website. Of course your actual account's not going to be deleted, it's just going to delete the password from your Google Password Manager. So to confirm, just simply click the delete button, and once you've done that it's going to take you back to your password manager and of course delete that password from your password manager. So that is how to delete saved passwords in Google Password Manager. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.